how to make your own perfume from scratch. Yes, perfume from scratch. You all know what they call perfume. Perfume when you go fit spray for body. Yes, for your clothes from the beginning to the scratch using just like 4 to 5 chemicals. Now, if you are someone that is very, very neat, very, very neat like me, it's very, very good you wear perfume. Yes, wear perfume. E get some people when they go waka pass you, you go do like this. So my glass don't fall. Let me pick it. Usually because of the kind smell, the smell when they come out from their body. Oh, salobua, man. No, before, yeah. That's the reason why you have to always smell good. Not only you looking good, smell good. And it starts from this. So in case you no fit afford those perfumes they sell outside, because we all know, you, me, everybody, we all know say perfume don't cost. You go to get perfume of 5,000 naira. Some people even buy perfume 1 million. Perfume don't cost. So if you cannot afford those perfumes that are expensive, please do well. Carry 5,000 naira. Carry 10k. Yes, if it's too much, carry 10k. Go market. Buy these chemicals that I'm about to list, and you will make perfume. Perfume will go last you for 6 months. I lie. You go make perfume without 10,000 naira. Perfume will go full ragolis when you go use for 6 months. You will make your own perfume. So how to make your perfume? You need your ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. You need your ethanol, you need your water, you need your glycerin, and you need your various perfume oils. All you need to do now to go chemical shops. There are chemicals, there are shops that they sell confirmed chemicals to make all those things. So you just mix everything together and you're good to go. Look for your perfume spray. Look for a confirmed body spray and you place it inside and you. So very easy, get your ethanol, you understand? Or you use isopropyl ethanol, get your water, get your different oils. You know, so when you go to the market, they will give you different oils. The oils, the smell you want. Just like if you are doing liquid soap now, they have banana flavor, banana smell, they have vanilla, they have different, odor, different smell. So it's you that will pick the smell, the one you want. You can join as many oil as you like. You can mix 5 oils together. Yes, 5 different oils together. So mix them together because you know some people want to create their own special perfume. Perfume, say you go wear, it will be difficult for people to identify the kind of perfume you are wearing. Like me now, I'm very good at perfume. So you get the kind of people who go past me now. When I smell them, I know the kind of perfume they are wearing. Yes, that is, it takes the grace of God, and it just matter of you. When you are used to all those things, it will be very easy for you. So you understand? So some people wear as much as 3 to 5 peps because they don't want people to identify the pep they are wearing. So let me go back to what I'm saying. But before I continue, please follow me on my social media platforms. The same name, Effects always. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The same name. Please share this video. And for those of you that want me to teach you, you want to learn, maybe you want the physical teaching, you can just DM me. I will teach you. It will be more extensive. You go better past this one when they see. So you understand? I will teach you the rules that governs this perf. You understand? So you mix everything together and you're good to go. And the reason why you're adding glycerin is because say I never see where person go say oil and water mix together. Oil and water, they are not something that they don't mix. So that glycerin helps. In short, it helps those oils and water to combine together, to mix together. Sure, you understand? So it's very simple. Do this perfume or a bottle round and you feel they sell them. You make your money from there. Package it, go to those printers, they should package with brand, and it's easy. So please, like I said before, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the same name, and Twitter. I love you guys. Make my chop up.